Let's learn the days of the week in French. Le jour de la semaine. Le jour means the days, de la semaine is of the week. Le jour de la semaine. Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. And Sunday, dimanche. Now let's recap what we have learned. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now let's learn some vocabulary. Morning is le matin. The afternoon is le après-midi. Après is after, midi is noon. The evening is le soir. The night is la nuit. Today is aujourd'hui. Tomorrow is demain. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. And also follow Credulos Kudos in Instagram to improve your vocabulary skills and to excel in French. Thank you for watching.